welcome back to my channel. Just want to do a update of kind of everything in the garden. The marigolds, the what are those? Petunias, the free seeds, and then also the vegetables. It's going to be an all-in-one. I've been doing separate videos, but I'm going to show you everything together. Here we go. So first, these were the free seeds that I had. Doing very well. All kind of stuff in there. I don't know what is what, but it's growing. I don't know what these tall little things are. They different. If you know what they are, let me know in the comments. Then here are the marigolds, doing very well. Again, dollar store seeds. I stuck, this is a sunflower that dried up while I was away on vacation. So I just put it in here to see if maybe it'll turn around. This is a zinnia that sort of dried up also. I just put it in there. Then here are the petunias, doing very well. Good variety of colors. There's two marigolds coming up down in there. I need to go through and pull some of the dead leaves, but get rid of that. Get rid of that. They are beautiful. I think my favorite is the white with the purple edges. Now to the vegetables. This is a San Marzano. I'm actually gonna give this to a friend today. These are two zinnia. This is, I think it's, possibly, sorry, there's a helicopter. All right, I think this was either I think it's a Moneymaker tomato that I removed from like a tray with the other ones to kind of separate the seedlings. These are the California Wonder peppers. I think they're doing good. These are the Moneymaker tomatoes, also doing well. You can see where I've taken one out and transplanted it. While I was away on vacation, they got a little yellow too, but still doing well. This is another San Marzano that's been transplanted into another pot. Another San Marzano. The San Marzanos are doing great. Then in my larger raised bed here, big old zinnia. These are my beets. Looking pretty good. This is a Homestead determinate tomato, doing very well. You can see the difference once it's been put in like a bigger container, how it does. This one here is actually a Homestead also, so you can see the difference when it has room to grow. These are the kind of remaining San Marzanos that haven't been up patted. Here I have more peppers. This was originally the echinacea. There's one echinacea left. None of the others really germinated, and I don't think this one's kind of on a struggle bus, so I don't know if it's gonna do anything. We got green moss, mold, whatever growing in here. And again, those are two peppers that I separated out of the other tray of peppers. Then we have all my cabbage here, waiting to be up potted. This is another Moneymaker. It's kind of struggling there. Another San Marzano. They are the superstars. I planted some more echinacea along the edge here, so they've come up. Another zinnia and another zinnia. So here's like a full kind of end-to-end shot with everything. Still not sure where I'm gonna plant some of these San Marzanos and peppers and other things. These are the Sweet William that have kind of lived their life. They were beautiful. I'm just letting them dry up. May try to collect some seeds. I don't know if they come back. I'm not sure. Yeah. Sorry, it's very windy today. It looks like maybe some are gonna, like, more blossoms will come, but I do not know. We'll just wait and see. This is a Moneymaker Tomato that I potted into my larger pot. This one has like a trellis that fits in with it, so it's perfect for tomatoes. It was actually made for tomatoes, but he's kind of struggling as well. I switched the soil that was in here just a couple days ago. I think the soil I had originally made was a little too dense. Like, I didn't have any perlite in it, and I just don't think the roots were able to grow, so I changed out the soil. And well, I amended the soil. I just added more perlite and some peat moss to it and put it back in, so hopefully we'll see some growth. And I put some water soluble fertilizer on it today. I think it's a 433 fertilizer. Then this is a sunflower, again, dollar store sunflower seed that is in this grow bag. This is I believe a 3-gallon grow bag. I had 2 sunflower seeds in here. The one that I showed you in the marigolds was also in here. And again, the soil, sorry, street traffic. The soil was, I think, too dense, so I switched this soil out, well, amended this soil as well. And this sunflower seemed to still have some life in it, so I put it back in, and hopefully we'll see it grow. And then these are the organic Yukon Gold potatoes, Yukon Gold potatoes that I planted in this other, I think this is a 9 or 10 gallon grow bag. And there's, well, the plant part is doing well. Hopefully there are some things growing down in there. So that is it. I will again keep posting updates, and I appreciate you for watching. Come back again. Bye-bye.